Oh, croaky. I'm down by the pond, folks, and there's frogs everywhere. Listen to them. And then every now and again, they make this sound. Yep. That one's gone. It's okay. When filming, always keep a second actor in support roles. Got another one. Whoa, got nature erupting all over the place. Whoa, look at this fella. He's a fat one. Anyways, if you look very closely, you can see he's got spots on the side of his head. Whoa, whoa, jumping. He's jumping all over. Anyways, they puff those out and they make sounds. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Eager fellow, isn't he? Well, I think he's got a friend over there. Yes, right there. Okay, so join your friend. Happy Frog. Ugh. Frog's happy. I got slimed. Sounds like a bad movie. Pond water's not any better. Okay, kids, this is Nature Guy down by the pond saying, I got frog scum on my hands. But remember, we have a hope that gives us strength. So, I was walking by the pond and found a turtle. Oop, yep. Underside, topside, looking at you closely, waving in the wind. Whoop, now he's waving at our dog Lola. Okay, well, Alice, I need to put the turtle back in the pond. Oh, just peed on me. Bye, Mr. Turtle. Wave bye-bye. He's got claws, don't he? Kind of frightening.
Oh, crikey! Whoa! What do you got here? We got a raccoon. Oh, he's eating out of my feeder. Oh, what are you doing there? Oh, yeah, he's just pigging out at the trough. Oh, you know, sometimes people call raccoons, yes, talking to you, they call you, like, trash pandas, or treasure kittens. Some even call you Tito, don't get that. But you snacking out there. Anyways, well, enjoy free lunch. Sure.
Wait, so, Nature Guy here again. And I caught something. It's a stickleback. And, as you might suspect because it's in water, it's a fish. Anyways, the thing about this fish is, hello. The thing about him is that he's invasive. He's pokey. Anyways, not sure if he's supposed to be here or not. So, I took him from a spot where he might go somewhere else. And I brought him to a place where he can't go anywhere at all. And he may be thinking, that sounds cruel. No, not at all. I'm going to put him in a pond with a frog. It's a friend. So, while he's captive now, he's still got friends. So, there's a Nature Guy again, and my good friend Alice from Australia, she's the one doing the filming here. And you may be thinking, Alice? How is that from Australia? Alice Springs, it's a place in Australia. She's from there. Anyways, she's filming. She's getting closer. Whoa, that's Alice. That's really close. The fish is feeling threatened. You better back off now. Back off, Alice. Back off. Okay. Anyways, everybody needs a friend. We're social distancing, but it doesn't pertain to fish, so it's okay. Nature Guy saying, go find a friend. Oh, here he goes. Boy. Okay. Frog. Cokey. Gonna put him back with his friend now. Sorry, I spoke moistly there. Well, back in the put him in. He's gone. Yep, he's back. Slippery sucker. Boy. So friends, just so we're clear, no frogs were harmed in the filming of this video. Boy. Croaky.